In today's world, financial freedom has become one of the greatest symbols of success and personal achievement. Amidst the difficulties, uncertainties, and challenges we often encounter on the journey, each of us has the opportunity, with each new day, to transform our economic reality and achieve the much-dreamed-of balance between quality of life and financial stability. This text was created to inspire you to take the first step towards this transformation, developing a positive and strategic mindset. If you seek motivation to face financial challenges, understand the importance of investing in yourself, and, above all, find the courage to invest in your future. Keep reading and prepare yourself to discover knowledge that can change your life. We live in an era where markets transform every second, opportunities arise unexpectedly, and at the same time, challenges seem to grow exponentially. But it is precisely in these adversities that we find the strength to prove that we are capable of going beyond. Financial life is not just about numbers or bank balances, it's about dreams, about the ability to create a lifestyle that truly reflects our personal aspirations and values. As in any other area of life, financial success is directly linked to the mindset and habits we cultivate daily. The scarcity mindset, the one that makes us believe we will never have enough, needs to be replaced by the abundance mindset, which empowers us to see that the universe of opportunities is infinite. There is a deep belief that the only limit we have is in our own mind. If you learn to direct your thoughts and actions towards achieving financial goals, the results will become inevitable. Many believe that the path to prosperity is full of magical shortcuts or quick solutions that promise to make you rich overnight. However, true transformation requires discipline, knowledge, and above all, persistence. Building a solid foundation for financial success doesn't happen immediately. It is the result of daily efforts, continuous dedication, and a deep understanding of the economic principles that govern our daily lives. Every investment made in knowledge, every small victory overcome, and every challenge faced is one more step towards financial independence. It's important to highlight that, in the realm of financial health, education is the most powerful tool we can possess. Investing in yourself, whether through courses, readings, mentoring, or practical experiences, is an essential step in building a prosperous future. When we dedicate ourselves to learning more and understanding how money works, whether through entrepreneurship, investments, or even effective management of personal resources, we open doors to a universe of opportunities. Financial discipline is another fundamental pillar for those who wish to transform their economic reality. Creating a clear financial plan, setting goals, and following an organized routine are habits that, when cultivated consistently, promote significant change. It's not about depriving yourself in the present to guarantee a distant future, but rather about finding a harmonious balance between conscious consumption and strategic investment. Self-motivation and resilience are indispensable companions on this journey. Even if obstacles and difficulties often seem insurmountable, the key to overcoming any barrier lies in persistence and determination. One of the greatest difficulties faced by those seeking financial freedom is precisely the lack of self-knowledge. Knowing how to identify and manage one's own vices, fears, and limitations is crucial to dealing with finances in a healthy way. Often, impulsive behaviors or feelings of incapacity can lead to hasty decisions that compromise financial balance. Therefore, investing in self-knowledge and developing emotional intelligence are complementary but equally important strategies for achieving success. Another issue that deserves highlight is the importance of resilience. In any journey full of challenges, the ability to get up after each fall is what differentiates the successful from those who give up at the slightest obstacle. Every mistake made is a valuable lesson that, if well interpreted, can lead us to better decisions in the future. Building a resilient mindset means realizing that challenges are not signs of failure, but rather disguised opportunities to improve our strategies and become stronger. When we look at examples of great entrepreneurs and investors, we realize that the path to success is rarely linear. The trajectories of these individuals are marked by ups and downs, moments of uncertainty, and, above all, an unwavering determination to achieve their goals. Each failure, each setback, was just a stage in the learning process. Like them, it is fundamental that you face moments of difficulty as an essential part of your growth, and not as insurmountable obstacles. Persistence is the link that unites dreams with reality. In this context, it is also essential to recognize the importance of strategic planning. Setting clear, measurable, and achievable goals is the first step to transforming financial life. Good planning allows you to visualize where you want to go and trace, step by step, a path that leads you in that direction. Whether through long-term investments, entrepreneurship, or even the search for new sources of income, the key is to always stay focused on the goals set and adjust strategies as needs and opportunities arise. In the digital environment, information tools and free resources available are invaluable allies for those who wish to improve their financial education. Blogs, videos, podcasts, and online courses have democratized access to knowledge, allowing people from all social classes to learn about finance, investments, and entrepreneurship. This digital era offers us the chance to create a support network where sharing experiences and knowledge is essential for collective growth. Take advantage of these tools, connect with people who have the same goals, and build a community focused on mutual financial progress. At the end of this reflective journey, it is fundamental to remember that the journey towards financial freedom is as important as the destination. Each challenge overcome, each small achievement along the way, builds not only economic security but also the confidence and self-esteem necessary to face a future full of possibilities. Allow yourself to dream big and, at the same time, be realistic about the steps you need to take. Face each day with courage and determination, knowing that each decision is a direct investment in your future. And for you who are following this transformation message, I would like to make a special invitation: subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Your participation is fundamental for us to continue gathering valuable tips, inspiring stories, and strategies that really work to transform your financial life. By subscribing, you become part of a community committed to personal growth and the constant pursuit of self-improvement. Each like, each comment, and each share is a vote of confidence and an incentive for us to continue producing high-quality content that helps you achieve your goals. Face each financial challenge as an opportunity for growth and transformation. If you commit to constant learning, implementing good practices, and the discipline necessary to manage your resources, you will see that success is closer than you imagine. Remember, true wealth goes far beyond money. It resides in wisdom, health, and the ability to live a full and meaningful life. Don't let fear or doubt prevent you from seeking your best version. The first step to any change is believing in your potential. Often, what seems to be an insurmountable obstacle is just an illusion that your mind has created. By changing your way of thinking and reinventing your strategies, you open the way for a promising future. And each small victory counted, each goal achieved, serves as proof that transformation is possible. After all, life is made of choices, and at every moment, we have the opportunity to decide the direction we want to follow. If you choose to invest in your knowledge and financial health, the results will be surprising. Always seek to improve yourself, be open to learning from mistakes, and celebrate every achievement. Discipline and perseverance are like seeds that, when well cultivated, bloom into a robust and fruitful tree, providing fruits that nourish not only the body but also the soul. The financial world may seem, at first glance, a sea of uncertainties and risks. However, it is precisely in this unpredictability that the opportunity lies for those who have the courage to innovate and think outside the box. Great investors and entrepreneurs achieved success because they were bold when it came to taking risks, always guided by meticulous preparation and the conviction that success is the fruit of constant effort. The key is to transform challenges into springboards and mistakes into learnings that improve your journey. Today, you have in your hands the opportunity to rewrite your financial history. Each informed decision and each healthy management practice contribute to building a solid and prosperous future. The path will not always be easy, but with dedication, discipline, and a positive mindset, you will be prepared to face any obstacle. Invest in your education, follow proven strategies, and above all, believe in your potential for transformation. To conclude, I would like to reinforce that financial success is an ongoing process that largely depends on your personal commitment and your ability to adapt to market and life changes. The transformation begins today, at the exact moment you decide to leave behind the limitations of the past and embrace a future full of possibilities. Each like, each subscription, and each share of this content is one more step in this journey of continuous growth. Join us in this transformation community and allow us, together, to build a world where financial prosperity is an accessible reality for all. Always remember, the power to change your financial life is in your hands. Believe in your potential, keep your eyes on the horizon, and stay firm even in the face of storms. The trajectory may be long, but each step taken with determination and knowledge transforms the path into a journey full of achievements and accomplishments. The time has come to transform dreams into reality and put an end to the insecurities that afflict our daily lives. Stand up and take the first steps towards financial freedom. The universe is full of opportunities waiting for those who are willing to seek knowledge and apply intelligent strategies. Each small effort is a seed planted for an abundant future, and the reward will come in the form of achievements and inner peace. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Your participation is fundamental for us to continue sharing inspiring and transformative content. Invite your friends, share this message, and let's together build a solid community where financial education and the pursuit of personal growth go hand in hand. In summary, the journey to financial success is a combination of knowledge, discipline, self-knowledge, and resilience. It is a path that requires courage to face fears and determination to continue even in the face of difficulties. Don't expect change to happen immediately, because each step taken with awareness and faith in yourself is a safe investment in your future. May this text be the boost you need to reassess your financial life, adopt new strategies, and, most importantly, believe that success is just one step away. Subscribe, like, and share this message of hope and transformation. Actively engage in the pursuit of a solid and prosperous financial future, and allow each decision, each learning, and each victory to be celebrated as achievements of a well-lived life. Your journey towards financial freedom begins now. Keep believing, persevering, and above all, investing in yourself, because your potential is unlimited and the future rewards those who don't give up on their dreams.